Yo, what up? I go by the name of BOJ on the microphone, aka BOJ, aka Alter Bank of Africa, and I'm here with my brother. You can do your own AKAs.
I don't get any AKA again.
Oh, yeah.
My only AKA is I know if you do pass myself, please. That's my new AKA.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
What inspired your stage name, Ajebutter?
Man, basically I know if you do pass myself now. Like for real. I just didn't like that street life. I didn't like it. I wasn't like a street guy, and I couldn't fake it. I wasn't going to fake anything in my career. And then, when I started rapping, guys like Olamide, guys like Reminisce, guys like a lot of Ajasa were the popping guys. That Green was popping. So I was like, how can I now form streets against like all these kind of guys? It wasn't possible. So I was just like, let me go the other way and like do what I want. But I have my own question I want to ask you. First question.
All right.
Who stole your loud?
My loud. I think the babe actually confessed on
The babe.
On Fake
She
Emmy.
she doesn't have a name.
I actually
The babe
can't
confessed.
apparently
Bro.
on Fake Emmy and Jola's podcast.
Oh, the babe went on the podcast.
Yeah, apparently
so
she called
go
him.
and watch their podcast. Oh, as in she did like an anonymous plea.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
so crazy.
Yeah, man. But
But do you know her name?
I don't know her name.
You don't know the name of the person that stole your loud, but
Nah.
you know that someone stole your loud.
Yeah. I know her face.
You know her face. So
I know her
you see her
face. If I see her today,
have I seen her? Do I know her?
yeah.
I know her.
Yeah.
That with. But you don't know her name.
I don't know her name.
Okay, that's crazy.
I don't know her name.
That my first question for you is
Alright.
why do you cut your dreads? Me, I know, but I want to
My dada. Oh God. To be honest, I wanted a switch up, but it was the switch up was informed by my relationship.
You're joking.
I swear.
Wow.
So, like,
that's mad.
I noticed that my babe, she used to.
I never knew that.
No, she used to say things like, "Oh, like, can you tie your hair in a different way, or is there a way you can make it neater?" Or
So
do you
basically, she
understand?
was low-key trying to tell you that, bro.
I don't like this shit. So at some point, I was just like, "Fuck it," and
So basically, you cut your hair because of your babe.
I did.
Mad,
I cut my
mad,
hair
mad.
so that my babe can know that I'm extremely serious. But I had
Yeah.
thoughts about cutting it before I met her.
Yeah, I remember when you guys like first started yarning and stuff. Was an interesting time.
Yeah.
But like, I know when I first met you, you didn't have hair. Like you didn't have. Like,
I had hair, but not
No,
that.
you didn't. You didn't
I
have
had an
any
afro.
Hair. No, you
I had an
you
afro.
had like short hair, normal hair. Like
Bro,
how
I had
your
an
hair is
afro.
now. Are you sure?
100%.
When did you meet me?
2011 or 2012.
Wait, what was happening?
We met over the phone now.
No, like when did I meet you? Like in real
In
life?
real life,
Yes.
we met.
I don't remember.
I remember we met at a show.
Which show?
It was your birthday.
No, we met
It
before
was
that,
your
bro.
birthday.
God. Yeah, but the day of my birthday, there was a show before that day. A show
Yeah.
earlier in the day.
Maybe like at a uni.
Yes, it was at LSE.
LSE?
Yeah.
I remember
all
now.
those jackets that have spike.
Yeah.
All these spiky jackets.
Yeah. On a Alter Flex.
Good times.
Yeah, so we had that show,
Yeah.
and then I don't even know if we met at the show.
I just saw you said what's up. You're smoking cigar outside. We were outside. I came outside. You're smoking cigar after I finished performing and stuff. And then like we now link like after.
Yeah. We went for the after party.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we took that picture.
Yeah.
The picture that was the artwork for Omo Pastor.
Yeah. I remember that.
Yeah.
I remember that club that year in London.
Yeah, man.
Champagne going.
I have another question here.
What's that?
What song is currently stuck in your head?
As you just said that, the first thing that came to my head is Man Mouth. That Charlie Puffy song. That's the job.
Yeah.
That's the jam. I like that song. I like that.
Charlie Poppy.
Yeah. Do you listen to his music? Have you ever listened to his
Are you
music?
crazy? Of course.
No. You know what, yeah?
We follow each other on Instagram.
No, I didn't say do you follow each other on Instagram. Let me even ask you now. What music do you listen to? Like on a normal
I listen to everything.
Guy, that's a lie.
Right now. Okay.
What music do you listen to on a normal day? Like if you enter your car now.
If I enter my car,
Yes, what
now,
songs? Do you play songs? Do you play music?
Yes, I play music.
Hey,
And
okay.
I'm going to be very honest.
Yes, be very
The
honest.
music that I listen to when I enter my car is I have a playlist that is it has all the songs from FIFA, from all the FIFAs, from all the FIFAs from like
Yeah, you're killing me.
FIFA 10.
That's what you listen to.
That's what I
in
listen
that
to in my car. I have all like different songs. I pick different songs from all the FIFAs between 2010 and now. Yeah.
So do you listen to your own jams?
I listen to my own jams before they come out.
So when they come out, you don't listen to them again?
Nah, once they come out, it's expired.
What's your favorite jam that's your own?
My favorite jam that is mine has to be
From beginning of time.
from
all your
beginning of
jams.
time. Wow. My favorite jam, honestly, is called Sinuiwe
Tinuewe,
from
mad.
Bagada Express Volume 1.
Mad.
Tinuewe.
I was supposed to be on Tinuewe.
Yes, but I was supposed to be on Tinuiwe.
Jones my P.
I didn't like the verse like that.
Go
You had
Go put your papa. You
This
see,
nigga-
all the people always asking why am I not on Budge songs because he just bounces me from all his songs.
yeah, because it doesn't come through.
God
It
punish
don't come
you.
correct. Like
God punish you.
you know, like listen, yeah. Everybody out there knows that, like,
you don't
if
have
Budge-
taste. That's your problem because you don't listen to music.
listen, anything that comes out of BOJ Ajebutter, it has to be A1. Do you understand? Oh, you're saying I don't have taste. All their favorite songs that we've done,
Do you want to try it?
all their favorite
Do you want
songs,
to try it here?
all their
Do you want
favorite,
to try it here? Okay, try it. Let me just start.
all their
Yeah,
favorite songs,
Uh-huh.
I have either
You are a fool. You are an idiot and a fool. Oh yeah, go on. I'll expose
I've
you now.
initiated it.
I'll expose you right now.
I've initiated it.
I'm a pastor. Who initiated that?
You initiated it.
And who said they didn't like the song?
Me.
Okay. Sungba. Who said they didn't like the song?
Me.
Who took it to Kelly?
You-
Oh yeah now.
Okay. Too many women. Who
But I
brought it?
loved it.
Who?
Wait,
I said I initiated it. I didn't say you didn't love it.
that song. Yes, I agree.
I said I initiated
You
it.
initiated too many women, but it wasn't even. I don't think it was meant for us. I think you had it for something.
Yeah,
else.
I had it for
and
something.
I had it and I begged
Oh
for
shit!
it
Did you see?
because
did you-
I have the ear.
Wait. Did you see Wani and Saz fighting?
Oh man, I saw it, man. I saw it, and I like both of them. Funny.
yeah.
I
But
like both of them.
I would say,
What did you think of the jam?
What jam?
The jam the one and Saz jam.
yeah, it was okay. Like, obviously, I
I think I had a
understand.
lot- I think
I
I
understand what both of them were saying. I understand Saz saying. Well, actually, I don't understand him saying it was whack because it's
Okay.
not whack.
Okay.
But I understand it not being.
Yeah, but
It's not on the level.
Yeah, because it wasn't like, in my opinion.
The beat
It wasn't
wasn't also
ready.
great.
No, the beat was, to me the beat was great. I'm not going to lie, but that's because I like empty like beats like that. But I feel like what Wani did, like there's enough of it that can be cut to make a mad jam, and then he will now record some stuff. Like everything he recorded wasn't mad, but there was a good part of it that was mad enough
Okay.
that they could cut other parts to make a mad jam.
Okay, the reason-
and then re-record.
The reason why I asked, if you liked, if you saw it,
Yeah.
was because I don't know if Saz should tell me something is whack, I'll go and listen to it and make my own judgment.
Yeah.
Because he said too many women was whack.
Who?
Saz.
He said too many women was
Yep,
whack.
he didn't like it.
Bro, that's crazy.
He didn't
As
like
in
it.
The whole song.
Yeah,
As in when we finished it.
yeah,
That's
He didn't like
crazy. Wow.
you know. But
Yeah.
I
But you
somehow
know-
convinced him. I think like after a while he was like, okay, actually this isn't bad. But at first, initially, he was like, nah.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
man.
crazy. I think like maybe it's one or two things. Either like his taste is very very high because he knows like what goes very far, or like he just doesn't hear what.
I think it's a preference thing. I think
Yeah,
maybe he has a
preference,
preference.
Yeah.
You know, but shout out Saz and
So
Shout
why they do us like this now? Wow.
Tasi Wani.
Bro, yeah, that was a bit mad.
Yeah, that was deep. But yeah, shout out my niggas.
Yeah. Shout out to
Um,
Wani too. Wani's
Yeah, man. What is your favorite track on Making No Cause Fights 1 and 2, and why?
On Making No Cause Fights 1, my favorite track is 24.
Okay. Why?
Because it just goes, bro. Like that's the first song that we actually recorded, or that I heard rather. When we entered Spark Studio that day, I just heard it. I was like, "What the fuck is this?"
It was the first song we recorded.
Yeah. I was too gassed. I love that. And I'm Making No Cause Fight too.
Oh, I initiated that one too.
Yeah.
by the way.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. On Making No Cause Fight 2, I think my favorite song is Too Many Women. Okay,
I initiated that.
Okay, cool. But you get my point still.
So your two favorite tracks from Making the Cause Vibes were initiated by who?
Yeah, my favorite tracks, not the most blown tracks.
Yeah, your favorite tracks, but you also said I don't have taste. So how is it that the tracks I initiated are your favorites if I don't have taste?
Because like I just have to adjust to your taste.
I actually genuinely feel it's the other way around.
That was.
That is you that doesn't have taste.
How can you say I don't have taste?
I don't think you do.
I'm a pastor, Sungba. Maybe both of us just have slightly different tastes. How about that?
I think my taste is better than yours.
No, never.
100%.
I can never agree.
I 100%
never,
think so.
Ever. It's not
100%
possible.
think so.
Anyways,
I feel like if I was involved in your music process, all your jams would be hits. Even if I'm not on them, every single one.
I feel the same way about your jams.
Yeah, I don't agree.
I feel the same way about your jams.
But yeah, I think we can leave that one to these guys to decide.
Yeah.
So you guys tell us
who has more taste in music.
I think it's me.
It's
for
definitely
sure.
me.
Swag, hands, everything.
Yeah, you have like all these swag things, all these visual things. But when it comes to number one, anyways, we'll leave that one.
Well, like obviously you're a clever guy. You do tech.
God punish you. Yes, I'm a clever guy, but still.
What I found in life is that people that are smart and clever, they don't have common sense.
Wow.
You know, so it's hard for you to navigate just like real life shit.
Nah, navigate. You know what?
It's hard for you to navigate real life shit. You need people like me.
Something that I don't know.
You need people like me to be able to show you how things actually happen, like in life.
I'll tell you something. Yeah. In this life, one of the people that has actually helped me, and this is like honestly, like I'm actually like in social settings, like in real life, visual things. I'm very awkward, and BOJ has actually helped me very, very much, especially like, and that's going to the next question I was asking, especially in navigating like being a musician and stuff like that. BOJ has been the person that's helped me the most in navigating all the settings. Like you say, oh, you cannot stand here, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do that.
That's bullshit. I don't say you can't stand
here.
Yeah,
you do. You did like, you always be like, oh, you can't stand in the middle of this place.
Yeah, because you're big and you're blocking everyone's view. That's different.
No, but then you also tell me like,
I tell you things
you
like,
always tell me that I should say hi to everybody. Like,
yeah, I say be respectful.
Yeah, but it's not. I'm not saying hi to.
Like, BOJ is the kind of guy that somebody can come into a place and be like, how far, and he'll just do like this.
Yeah, because like I don't know that I have to manners. I have to like say hello to the person because the person doesn't know me. Means I don't know them. Do you understand? So why would I just?
If they say hi to you, you have to be respectful.
No, but I say hi as well, but I don't say hi with the same vim because I don't really know how I know the person. Do you get?
Yeah, but it's not about like, why can't you just treat people just like with respect? Like,
no, it's not about respect.
Why is it that it has to be somebody that?
No, hang on. It's not about respect because if it's like, you can say hi to someone in a certain way, and the person like, right, why is the guy like acting to? Why is the person like saying hi to me like this? Do you get? A lot of times, even me when we go into a place, right? And I see people, I might not know the person. I just prefer to just like stay to myself. Not for any, just because I don't know you, I don't know like how you react. But again, like I've learned that, you know what, just say hi to everybody with like extreme, and I don't want to taught me that. And I'm giving you credit. And that's also very fine. That's also very okay. It's cool. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, what I wanted to ask you was so in your own life, right? Because since you've been basically a child star. Because you have been blown since before you were 18.
Yeah.
You have been blown. So how you've never known life that was not like a blown person or like a celebrity, even to your friends, and then from there like in life. So how do you think that has affected your life?
I feel like I've been lucky enough to have very genuine friends around me. So I've never been made to feel like, oh, I'm a celebrity, or do you understand? I've always been kept grounded by the people around me.
But that's not true. That's not true. No, it's not true. It's not possible.
How?
It's not fully possible because like everywhere you go to, you get like easy access to certain things. You get things that just not even about your friends and your close circle. I'm talking about that, like just in life in general. Like you go places, people recognize you.
Not all the time.
Yeah, not all the time, but enough of the time that a normal person doesn't go through that. Because me, I lived normal life in uni before I ever like started dropping jams, so I know the difference. But you never even had anything like normal lessons. As you just left from A level like this, you've been a star. So, and that's when you became an adult. So your whole adult life, you might not even know it, but it's been different from all the normal people's adult life. Do you get? Do you know
Okay,
that?
I guess it's hard. Well, not hard because of the way I navigate, but
How do you navigate?
I'm just very, very to myself. I stay at home a lot. That's what I was saying. That I hang
Yeah,
around
but
people
Do
that.
you know that normal people don't have to?
Are you going to let me answer?
Oh, yeah, answer.
No, I can't even remember what you asked me now.
No, you're saying I stay at home a lot.
Yes, I stay at home a lot. I chill with people that I've known for time, and they keep me grounded. So when it comes to like outside, like going out and all this stuff, I don't enjoy like being recognized and stuff. I don't enjoy it. So I guess that's how it affects me.
Yeah.
I don't really enjoy it. So I guess that's why I don't go out that much.
Okay. So do you know how life is if, like, you could just, if you, as in,
Yes,
you know
I
how
do.
it
Because
feels
when
like,
I cut my hair, nobody recognized me again. So, like, it's very easy for me to just do how I like doing, like being by myself, walk into the supermarket, walk out. Maybe like 2 or 3 people will gauge, but you know, I'll be able to move sharply.
So, like, all your close guys now, like,
Yeah.
find you, like, you and I guess like DRB guys, and even, I'm sure you had like your normal friends, but how did that whole like DRB setup, how did it come about?
DRB setup. So first of all,
Yeah.
Fresh L started. I see this fine. Fresh L started DRB with Benzo with Tobeno,
Okay.
and it was a rap P. Just both of them rapping.
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them rapping, rap royals. Then I think Toby Bias now joined them, so it was 3 of them. Then TZ joined, do you understand? And all of us were in the same school. Then yeah, that's how DRB was formed. And then I joined when we were coming back to Lagos for Copy show.
Yeah.
DJ Copy was doing a show, so we came back to Lagos for it.
What was the show called?
Concrete Rose.
Okay, I think I heard about that.
Concrete Rose. So when she's hollered at DRB because we were friends with Copy. I wasn't part of DRB. I was just friends with them, and I had never even thought of doing music before. So I was just like, guy, like people can perception. You know, when you're young, one of the most important things is how they look at you, how they see you. Am I a bad guy? Am I a Raz guy? So I felt like everybody would think I'm a Raz guy if I'm not part of this show. So I asked them that, yo, I beg, let me just record a rap. I'll just rap, you know.
Rap?
Yeah, I rapped. So, you know, I rapped.
Is that rap anywhere?
No, never. And even if it was, I would never ever direct anyone to it.
Okay.
But I'm sure Fresh has it somewhere. Or Dapa, if you saw it has all the
Dark
old.
or Fresh, please, if you have this Fresh rap, I beg, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, man. So yeah, that's how DRB started, and yeah, we kept on going from there. After a few years, I now officially joined, and then we've been going from there.
So at that point, did you guys have fans?
Yes, we had fans. We actually had fans from the get-go because
Why?
we used to,
I want to understand why.
because first of all, we were popular guys within there was like a secondary school community between like Green Springs, Grange, Lekki British, Avicenna.
So at this time, there was no. Was there what internet thing was there?
There was MSN.
What year was this?
I don't know, but there was MSN Messenger
Okay.
and Bebo.
So
That's
this was
when it
like
was.
2005, 2006.
Yeah,
7?
it was first MSN Messenger and Bebo, and then Facebook came in.
Okay.
So that's what we used to do.
Okay.
We used to send it to people on Facebook, and we used to send it to their emails because we had everyone's emails.
So even before people started using Twitter and all these things, you guys were
Yes.
sending people jams.
Yes,
on
and like
Facebook.
we'll get like 2,000 downloads every day.
Wow.
Do you understand? Because
Crazy.
I have my own contact list. Like we were like 20,
I know
not 20, we were like 10 in
yeah.
DRB, and everybody had like 1,000 deep contact list. Do you understand? So we'll just send the links to everybody.
Okay.
So everybody will get it in their emails and actually listen to it.
Okay.
You know?
So you make songs and send it to all your friends.
Yes.
And then all your friends knew these songs. And then
We'll send it to our friends will send it to their friends, like that.
And then from there, people now start coming to like what Copy show or whatever show that
Yes,
you're doing at the time.
exactly.
Okay. So from there now, how do you guys now go from there to become DRB Lasgidi that we know today?
So from there, we now had a little midlife crisis, if you want to call it that, where
At what age, bro? Midlife crisis. You're not
Yo,
even at
whatever.
the time, how old were you?
whatever. Maybe it's not called a midlife crisis, but we had a situation where we were like 12 in the group,
Okay. So
and
too
like
many people.
a majority of them wanted to do like international Western music. Do you understand? Like all of them actually
Okay.
wanted to do that. But so Benna was kind of like the head of DRB because he was the
Not
one that
Fresh.
taught, not Fresh,
Okay.
but Fresh and Benzo started it together. But Benzo was like the head because he was the one that knew how to record people. He was the one that would engineer everything basically. He was the one that could produce as well. So at some point he decided that me, Fresh and TZ have DRB, yeah, and they created another thing called Creative Elevation.
Okay.
So it was CE, so it was CE DRB, you know. But then it was like, let's split it up. Let DRB focus on Africa, and let CE try and, you know,
Okay.
take
So
the
at that
world.
point, they didn't know. Nobody knew what Africa would do. Nobody knew what UK would do. But
Yeah.
boom, you guys try this one. Let's try this
So
one. Okay,
Fresh
everybody's
was very, very pissed about it.
Really?
Because Fresh was like, he at the time he was like grime.
Yeah.
He loved grime.
Chipmunk,
Do you understand? Chipmunk, all these guys.
Jeremy, all
Yeah,
these guys, Reg,
that was
all
his
these
piece. So he
Yeah.
was upset that damn, these guys will include me in this, you
Yeah,
know,
in this,
and they are sending me to
UKP.
this NIGP. But me and T's, we were the most Niger people out
In
of the whole
DRB.
crew because we used to come back every holiday, half term for 1 week. We're back in Lagos. Even weekend, sometimes we come back. Do you get what I'm saying? So it was very okay for us. So me and TZ now came back to Nige and started doing shows, you know, with just some of the songs we had.
That's
So,
when you guys did.
So
That's when you guys had Swagger McBono, Abi.
yeah. So
And you had other jams like
Yeah,
other.
yeah,
Yeah. That's.
Then yeah, from there we just went on. We linked up with TK, and he
So-
started managing us.
At that point, were you writing your songs or were you just still freestyling? When you used to rap,
Oh no, I only rapped once.
just that one time.
Yeah, just that one
Okay, so
time.
did you write? Because me, I've never seen. See, when we're in the studio, Bud just sits down and he just starts singing something in a very low voice. Next thing, jam don't drop. I say, what happened? I feel go toilet, go piss. Bud just on mic, jam don't drop. So did you used to write then?
No,
So-
I never.
So how do you remember all the lyrics and like how do you just never write anything?
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't you even have like don't you write notes on your phone or nothing?
Nothing. I record voice notes of melodies
Okay.
because I think that's one of my gifts. Is like I get melodies in my head all the
Melody
time.
to what?
Just to random shit.
To the air.
Guy to the air, and then trust me, like I'll hear one beat, and then that melody that I heard in my head, it will
We'll now
the
go with
beat.
that. Okay, I'm guessing.
Do you understand?
I'm guessing.
Because
Makes sense.
there are only so many chords in music.
I
I
get
think
you, yeah.
there are a few. Then I don't know how many exactly,
Yeah. I
but there
feel
are only
you on
a
that.
few. So, you find that a lot of things are like maybe I'm a piano. You can sing that thing on like
Yeah,
50 different beats of
Fair,
songs
fair,
that
fair,
are out
fair.
already. Do you get what I'm
Fair,
saying?
fair.
And it will work. You know,
That's
so
why when they were suing Ed Sheeran for
exactly.
yeah, it
You
wasn't
feel
good.
me? But yeah, so I guess that's one of the gifts I have. I get melodies in my head, I record them, and then so I record melodies first most times
Before
before I put the words in. But sometimes the words and melodies come together. I just, ginger.
Interesting.
While you're saying that, I'll tell you people this one's process.
Oh god.
This nigga. So first of all, this is probably the weirdest human being I've met in my life. Do you understand? This guy, apart from being an artist, he's also a tech guy. You know? Tech. I don't really understand the P. I've asked him so many times to like explain.
Tell you though.
I always just try to tell him, explain this P to me. Okay, how does it work? This, that, the other. And it just doesn't sound. It just doesn't make sense in my own brain, Sha. So me, I think all of them are fraud boys. Do you understand? Because they also have so much money. Do you understand what I'm saying? They have so much money. But let me not digress too much. What I wanted to say is about how this guy comes into the studio with his laptop. Yeah?
Facts.
And he opens up his laptop and writes his lyrics on his laptop on Microsoft Word. like he's writing an essay or writing an email. And I think that is the weirdest thing I've seen from an artist so far. I haven't even seen anybody do that. So explain yourself.
Boy.
What is that about?
Okay, so I'm like, where do we start from now?
Why can't you
Okay.
use your phone? Why is this such a thing that you must bring out your laptop?
Hang on, I have a reason why. When I started writing like proper writing, I was in uni, right? And when I'm doing like, what made me like start writing a lot is like I'll be doing like an essay or something boring, and like something repetitive or something like very dead. And the other side of my brain, when I'm bored, I want to take a break. Not even want to take a break. When I'm bored with doing this thing, the other part of my brain just wants to start thinking creatively. It's like when you're sleeping and you're dreaming, right? So when you're doing something mundane and boring, the other side, there's science behind it, but there's another side of my brain will just start thinking, and I have to like write immediately. Now, that makes me like start typing. Like if I'm working on like a Word document or whatever, I'll just open another one and start typing. What happened over time was that when you're now trying to write with your phone, you make so many mistakes. I have big thumbs. Like,
I think
and
that's
that
what
year,
it is.
they didn't have this kind of big iPhone. They had like small phones, and like with BlackBerry though, I used to write on my BlackBerry when I had one, and that was cool. But after that, like it was difficult on touch screen to write fast, so it was difficult for me to be pressing like this. So I just stuck to like writing on my laptop, and I just got used to the white of like the Microsoft Word and stuff. But then I write on my notes now most times, but still with my laptop, not on my phone, because my phone is dead. I even prefer to freestyle sometimes. Like either I'm freestyling or I'm typing on my laptop. My phone is the last resort. I hate it.
Okay. I have another question for you.
What?
How does it feel to be like such an awkward height?
Oh Jesus!
Like,
what the fuck?
how does it feel to be so tall and just be blocking everybody? Like,
I'm not.
there's nowhere. Okay, how does it feel that day we went to Abuja and we entered the club and we were walking and you just banged your head on the
You guys
ceiling?
don't embarrass my own family.
Yo, that was the funniest day of my
Do you know what's so funny? That's not the first time I banged my head
like
on that
we were
same place.
walking, all of us were just walking. I'm like, how did you not see the ceiling?
Because like ceilings are supposed to be up, like
Okay.
high up. So like you don't think about it because do you think about ceiling? No, nobody thinks about ceiling because they're supposed to make it the regular height. Any place that
That's
the
what
ceiling
I'm
hits my
asking.
head,
That's the question
that
I'm
place
asking you.
is
How does it feel?
As in there's like
I think you're a
violation.
minority, actually. It's
Yeah, but
almost
it's
like
not fair.
being-
They should build it for everybody. It's not for like inclusion of
But
everyone.
that is the problem. There's so little amounts of people that are this awkwardly tall and awkwardly shaped and
yeah, but that doesn't
built so awkwardly.
Fuck you, man. That doesn't matter. It should be for everyone, whether a person is awkward or not awkward. It doesn't matter. Everything should be built so that everybody can fit. I'm sure there are building standards that thing was violating.
No.
Because there's no reason why I should enter a building and I should just raise my and this just bang me on the head. Why? Do you know how many times I've been banged in the middle of my head here? This place here.
But you know what's funny here? How do you not see it?
I don't need to. I'm not supposed. Do you look for things like that?
No, but then if something if something is going to hit my head, I will see it.
No,
before I walk into it.
Yeah, because it would be unusual. It wasn't unusual. It was just. It wasn't because if it was unusual, everybody was like, "Oh, watch out for that thing."
Yeah, but it should be unusual for you because
there was one time
height.
I was trying to like move houses, and I went into a house and the thing was unusually low. And I noticed that it was very unusually low. I told people that are building the house, why do people build this house like this? It's too low. Like, it doesn't make any sense. But anyways, moving on from that. In this your writing thing now, you just cram everything and just put everything in your head and just think
No, it's not that I cram it. It just comes like, like yarning, like talking.
So now the kind of music that you do and how you do. How do you now decide that this is kind of jams I want to be giving them?
I don't decide.
But you must have decided at some point.
I swear my life, like.
So what makes you like the beats that you like?
It's just maybe usually if I hear a beat that I love, melodies will just start coming to my head. Michael. Melodies will just start coming to my head.
So you just go by that. It's not intentional. It's just boom.
Just boom. You feel me?
So do you like Niger beats or for these days everything is the same, to be fair. But like, are you a UK artist? Are you a Niger artist?
I'll say I'm a world artist.
You have to be. If you had to pick
I
a
don't have
side,
to be anything.
no, if you had to pick a side, if you had to pick a side,
I don't have to pick a side.
no, you don't. But
Exactly. So that question.
so you're a pussy, you're sitting on the fence.
I'm on the cusp. I'm actually on the cusp. I'm not sitting on the fence, but I'm just on the fence. Like,
Yeah,
I'm
you're
just
literally
like,
sitting on. You're literally sitting on the fence.
it's not.
I'd choose one.
No. I won't say that I'm sitting on the fence. I'll say I'm a.
Fence is sitting on you.
The fence is sitting on me.
No, you can't say that.
The fence is sitting on
That's
me.
just so dead, bro.
The fence is sitting on me, mate. Okay, fuck that. I beg, let me ask you a question.
Yeah, go
Which
on.
celebrity would you rate as a perfect 10? A female celebrity. Do you have
As
a
in
girlfriend
that-
right now?
No, unfortunately.
So you can answer this question.
No, it's not even
without
about
thinking
that.
twice. Answer the question.
What celebrity do I rate as the person? Beyonce.
What?
You mean nine?
Just in general.
Beyonce. I fuck with Beyonce. Beyonce is the best female artist I've ever. The best artist to me in my whole lifetime. Beyonce and Drake. In my whole life, as I've been living, no, Beyonce and Drake. The next two are probably Lil Wayne, Jay-Z. Next three, sorry, Lil Wayne, Jay-Z, and Nicki Minaj. They make up the next section. Then the section after that, probably Asha, Tiwa. Then
You guys, I need to piss. I can't do this. I have to piss. All right, sorry for the quick break in transmission. We had to go to the toilet.
yep.
The chair broke, all these kind of things, but we're back. Actually, when we went to the toilet, Butter didn't wash his hands.
How can I not wash my hands? Are you mad?
You didn't.
Of course I wash my hands.
Why are you actually now lying?
How can I
Yeah,
not wash my
I
hands?
promise you guys, this guy.
God
walked out,
forbid
didn't
bad
wash his
thing.
hands.
Allah imagine.
Well, yeah, I have a question. I have a question. I have a question for you.
Uh-huh.
How do you decide who to follow on Instagram? Like, how do you decide who to follow back on Instagram?
I don't really follow
And
people
how
back.
do you feel when somebody you like or somebody you know or something doesn't follow you back on Instagram?
I don't really know who follows me or who doesn't follow me, bro. Because I don't know. I don't check like my following thing.
Okay.
I just never know.
But,
But
okay,
like,
so
I only follow people like when I meet them, or if someone says I should follow them, I always follow them.
Okay.
Or if I see something, if I see someone's page,
Yeah.
like I always follow them. I don't
Okay,
type my
listen
following
to what
my
I'm
chest.
asking you, guy.
Uh-huh.
How do you? Okay. Are there some times where you just follow some people back? Has there been any time when you follow somebody and you don't know them?
I follow
Like
a
a
lot of
babe.
people that I don't know.
Why?
I follow a lot of people.
That's
if
what
I
I'm
see someone
asking.
interesting, I can follow them.
What's
Anytime. Like whatever. But like that year, like some days I would say, okay, this day of this month, whoever messaged me or I'll follow you back. Do you get? I used to do that year. But like now, I just if I meet you, like and like maybe we have a chat or something, I'll follow you. Do you get?
Okay, so
But-
is there any situation where a babe will follow you and you just follow her back based on
No,
oh, she's
because
a
I
fine
wouldn't.
babe?
No, because I wouldn't even see that you just followed me.
You've never ever seen that somebody followed you.
It's very rare. It's not impossible. Like I probably have, but it's not. It's like 1 in 1,000. Like I'm not going to. I don't like cause how do your notifications come? They come in a bundle, no? So you don't know that oh this person just followed you.
Fair enough.
Unless you're actually checking one by one, which is like impossible.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So I don't really be. Knowing.
Okay, do you feel somehow when you follow somebody that doesn't follow you back, or you don't know whether they follow you back or not?
I really don't. How do you? Unless it shows that follow back sign. Like if it says, wait, no, that means that the person is following me and I don't follow them back. How do you know if you follow someone and the person doesn't follow you? How do you know?
You just not be on their following thing.
How would you know? You have to go and check.
You have to check.
Okay, I've never done that before.
I have.
Okay, so how do you do that? Like, how do you?
No, there's only one person that has made me feel somehow.
Who's that?
Don Jazzy.
Dodazzi doesn't follow you.
No.
I don't know if Dodazzi follows me. I have no.
He doesn't follow me, and he pained me for a very long
So
time.
does he follow you now?
Probably not.
Dodazzi, follow me if you are not following me. I mean,
Yeah.
I know I follow you. So
No,
like,
but see what? I actually tensioned him one time at a wedding.
swear.
Yeah.
That's so
I tensioned him. I was
crazy.
like, dude, like, what did I do to you? You know? But
Like anytime anybody does that to me, I always feel so wow, that's a big rat that just went under there. No, under, calm down, don't be a pussy, under that thing. But yeah, like anytime someone comes to me and they're like, you don't follow me back, I just feel so somehow. I'm just like, why do you have to be that guy?
yeah, I feel somehow too. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? But I feel like that's about some people. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, so you tensioned on Jazzy.
I tensioned him.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm like,
that's fair.
actually, I didn't tension him about not following me back. Yeah.
About what?
I tensioned him about the fact that, do you know that since 2018, 2017, 2018, I send Don Jazzy a DM every January
Every January.
Tell me.
Saying what?
saying how far.
What? Just alpha.
I'm like, yo, man, how far?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Like,
Yeah, like as per Ginger my P.
just
Just be about.
I want to ginger.
And what's he saying?
Nothing. So that's why I tensioned him about.
So what, after he tensioned
So
him,
after
what
I
did-
tensioned him, he now replied, he said, bro, sorry, I didn't see.
But what can Don Jazzy, I'm not like Don Jazzy is like, I'm obviously good.
Uh-huh.
But what do you expect Don Jazzy to do for you?
Nothing.
You just like his acknowledgement.
Yes.
That's very
Yo,
fair.
because
I get
you
it.
know
I
what,
get
yeah?
it. I
It's
get it
about,
fully.
it's about, I think it's a
I-
perception thing. It's like, I gauge Don Jazzy, like, see, when I was young, guy,
Yeah, you're killing
my
me.
mom came to come and play me
Yeah.
the band. She was so excited to come and
Yeah.
tell me about this new
Yeah.
band and Don Jazzy.
And what did you think?
And they're one of my biggest inspos. Do you
Yeah,
understand? So it's like
facts,
them.
facts,
When
facts.
it was them
Uh-huh.
and obviously a whole bunch of people that made me be like, yeah, I can actually run this place.
Yeah.
Do you
So Don
understand?
Jazzy is like a
And
hero.
actually, at the beginning of moving back to Nigeria, to start to take music seriously,
Yeah.
I actually used to hang out with Don Jazzy all the time.
Oh, for real?
Yes, everywhere. So,
Where? You see Don Jazzy everywhere.
guy, I said
You don't
that.
hang out with him. With
Guy,
who?
me, Don Jazzy, Papa.
Okay,
You know
Papa,
Papa?
yeah. Based on
Guy,
Papa, shout out to
Papa was my guy. Shout out
Yeah.
Papa.
Shout out,
And so Papa and Don Jazzy, I don't know if they're still best friends, but
Yeah.
that's that year they were
Yeah,
best
this-
friends.
Yeah, I
Do you
remember
understand?
that
So,
time.
guy, I'm telling you that Don Jazzy will be driving like this. I'll be sitting down in his passenger. Guy, I won't even believe it that I'm there.
It's so funny too. I've never heard this story before.
This
Go
guy,
on.
I'm telling you, like, he had one club. When he was about to buy the club, I went with him to go and look at the club. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, I'm just like, damn, after all this, this guy didn't follow me, Sha. Don't worry. Let's just stay. Let's just carry on.
They broken his
Let's
shirt
just shut the
twice.
fuck up. I'll just
Can you see
balance.
that they chop?
I'll just balance. Okay.
Okay, continue.
So yeah, I was just like, damn, why won't this guy follow me after all this piece? So I had to tension him.
Yeah.
He still didn't follow me.
That's so crazy. Don Jazzy, please
But
follow
I
us,
still, I
man.
still fuck with him. I still follow
Follow
him.
us. Like-
Usually, when people don't follow me back, I'll follow them.
Really?
Fast.
Based on they're not following you.
Yeah.
I follow a lot of people. Like recently, I've been unfollowing a lot of people, but just based on like, I've been on this thing where like if I'm on Instagram, it doesn't. There's one day that actually me and Bud just were on Twitter and we're just like unfollowing bare people. Just
Oh yeah, shit.
we're on
yeah,
FaceTime, we're
yeah.
just unfollowing bare people just for no reason. But like on Instagram, like if I see someone's page and I don't recognize their name, or I check our messages, I click on message and I see we've never messaged each other before, I'll just unfollow them. So like there's been like nowadays I just go on Instagram and if I haven't messaged someone in a while, I don't really speak to them, and I know like I just unfollow them, especially if I don't know you, or like I know that maybe we have a real life relationship that is not Instagram based, then I'll just unfollow you. Then and I'm very fine with anybody unfollowing me back. Like that's very okay. I feel like once I retire from making music, I'm going to close my Instagram anyways.
I actually have another Instagram that is actually
Yeah.
for my friends. That
Yeah.
like I
Yeah.
post there almost every day.
Um,
my mic. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The thing was no.
So from that
It will
time,
move. Is it okay like this?
It's calm.
It's okay, Abby.
So from that time that I met Don Jazzy and that year like with Papa, in my mind the industry and things from then and now feel so different because like guys are like 10 years deep.
Yeah.
So like how has everything changed in your mind from that year till now?
I think
And which version is better?
honestly, musically, obviously I think I've evolved musically, yeah. But I think like the process was a lot easier
Then.
before because I wasn't thinking about a lot of things.
Yeah.
You know, I was just doing music because I actually just love it.
Okay.
Now, of course, I still love music and I still do it because I love it, but
Yeah.
there's a lot more involved. Now, it is actually my life.
Yeah.
Do you understand? And it's like what puts food on my table and
Yes,
shit.
yeah.
So there's a lot more involved in the thing, like, you know, and it's not just all fun anymore like it used to be. Before it
Yeah.
used to be all fun and just bangs.
Yeah.
You know?
But like in terms of the industry in general, like how do you see difference?
To be honest with you, I actually removed myself from the industry
When
in
did-
terms of like because of certain people I met and because of how they moved. Do you get like in 2013, 2014, I met Skep, yeah. And I just
14.
yes, I think so.
Okay.
I think it was 2014. Was it not?
I don't know. I feel like it was 2016, 20.
Oh yeah, shit, sorry, it was 2016.
Yeah, more.
Yeah, sorry.
2017, 2018.
Anyway,
yeah.
after I met Skep
Yeah.
and I gauged the way he because
You're like, this is the industry. This is
it was more about like taking care of your mental
yeah.
states, you know, and understanding that like these people don't actually give a fuck about you from, and why should they? Do you understand? Like, where do they know you from? Like, do you understand? Like, you can't just think that okay, because maybe you have a big song or whatever, that must mean that everybody's your friend, or
Yeah.
do you understand? Or everybody that hollers at you or tells you, ah man, you're mad or whatever, that means like that person wishes the best for you or whatever, you know. So when I met Skep, I gauged the way he moved, like he's just moving with his guys. Do you understand? He's not that pressed about, you know, like being with industry people or whatever, you know. And then also like just other people, you know, that I gauge, like some of the people that I respect and I gauge how they move, like Olamide, do you understand? And I gauge the way they move and like how they protect their energy and protect what's around them, you know. So I started paying attention to
So it's
the kind of
deliberate.
energy I let
Yeah.
around me, you know. So after that,
deliberate.
it was deliberate.
That's fair. So like me, I know that you've done jams with OBO, you've done jams with Wiz, you've done jams with Bado, done jams with. Do you have any jam with Burna?
No, actually, I do have a jam with Brother that never came out.
That never came out.
Yeah,
What was your P Burna? You guys cool?
yeah, we're cool.
Okay.
But like, we're not like guys. It's not like I can't call Burner on the phone because I don't have his number. But like, I have like David's number, I have Wiz's number, I have Olamide's number. you
Okay,
know.
so all those guys are your guys. Tiwa too is your guy. I'm
But
guessing.
also, another thing is that I'm actually Burna Boy is actually in my top 2 artists in the world ever.
in the world.
in the world.
Who's the second one?
I'm not actually sure. It's between Asha and I'm not sure.
Okay.
But Burna Boy is there.
He's your top 2 in the world. Okay.
My top 2 in the world.
Fair,
so
fair, fair.
you know that thing about when they say don't meet your idol.
So you don't even really want to be guys with Burna.
So yeah, I just like being a fan of Burna, you know.
It's
I
cool.
like to make music with him. You know, like
But it's not a do or die affair.
it's not a do or die affair.
That's fair.
But yeah, I'm really more of just like a fan.
So like, have you, like in all the artists that we've known now and we've seen over time,
Yeah.
like, I know we've seen artists from their inception to come up and like be big. Like which artists you see like when they were coming up that you felt like, these guys are going to go, like, or you just felt like, man, this is like this person or these people are the best things since sliced bread, or these people are gonna be like something.
I'll say like okay, what like as in people that have come and gone since I've been in the
No, not come and gone. No, they might
Oh,
still be
that's still
here.
there,
Yeah. But that's,
Okay.
they've just blown. And
That
like,
when I
just
see them, I'm like,
just
okay, I knew.
You spotted this person. Yeah.
Okay, Thames.
Yeah.
As soon as obviously you know, like
Yeah.
we've known Thames since, yeah. But it's like
Fair,
I knew
fair,
Thames
fair.
before I knew she did music.
Okay.
Do you understand? And when I found out she did music, I was so mind blown by the quality of the music and by the almost her not recognizing. I don't know. Okay, well, I perceived that she didn't recognize what she was that time.
Okay. When was this? And what song did
talking
you hear?
about,
Was this a
like-
song that's out?
Yes, now I'm talking about
What
like,
song was this?
after Mr. Rebel dropped. now.
Okay. Fair.
And then I'm just like, damn, I can't believe how crazy this artist is, and the fact that I've known her since, and she didn't even make any, indication that, oh, she's an artist or whatever.
Oh, to you, okay,
To me,
fair.
so but the moment I heard her songs, I was like, this one is great. Same thing with like Oxlade.
Ox is dope.
The first song I heard.
I mean, I heard Ox outside.
I heard Ox. Yeah, same actually. I heard it.
When I heard
song
Ox
he had
was
with
already
Black
gone.
Bones.
Mami
wasn't
Water,
gone, Mami
okay,
Water.
yeah. Me, in
So
my own
I heard
mind,
that song, and I was just like, yo, this guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's been a whole bunch of people actually, but I can't really remember right now.
Do you know who else? Do you know, for me, the two people?
Victoni.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Victoni.
Victoni. Yeah,
Victoni. Yeah, Victoni.
First I was
Actually,
like,
Ore that is here.
Yeah.
Ore and Daffy actually brought. I was doing my camp. We were doing a camp.
Yeah.
We were just doing a camp, and yeah, Ore and Daffy brought Victoni, and Mask.
Yep, Mask the director.
Mask was just like playing us his jams.
Yeah,
him and Diverse.
when we were playing FIFA, when we were recording, he was just playing. I feel like Mask was trying to low-key trying to like incept us that these guys will hear this guy like.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
So then, like, I swear, like 2 days after that, Mask and they brought him.
Yeah, because they're like, yeah. When I heard it, I now said, "But this is the guy," and then we're like, "Boom, let him come to the camp." Yeah. And then from there, I just knew that I was special. Obviously, Thames as well. Like, obviously, she's a special
man.
one. I always knew that.
Oh yeah. Let's go to the next segment.
Okay, boom.
So the next segment is.
No. Wait. First of all, we need to do the questions that the fans asked us.
Okay. Let's do that.
Okay, so we have a shout out to everybody that sent questions on.
Big up on Twitter.
Yeah, Twitter and Insta. Yeah, because I posted it on it. Do you have the questions?
I'm looking for them.
Yeah, found it.
Okay.
There's a question for BOJ here.
Okay.
The question is, when will you marry? When you get married, bro?
Married for me, really and truly, I already feel married.
Yeah.
I already feel married to my babe. Like, I already know that this is who I want to be with for the rest of my life.
Oh, that's so cute.
You feel me? But yeah, I guess like, I don't know, maybe soon. I don't know, but I definitely know that this is I'm done. Last bus stop.
Yeah, that's it.
You feel me? So yeah, I guess it's in the cards.
What would it take to have a song with you? I asked you that, so you ask me.
What will it take to have a song with me?
Yeah.
To be honest with you, what will it take? I just have to really like the song and really feel. Honestly, right now, I said okay. Before it would have just been about I need to just like the song.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I think I now think like a businessman as well. So I have to like the song, and then I also have to feel like there's something that's beneficial to me as well.
Okay. Like, I mean, liking the song is beneficial to you, no?
Pardon?
Liking the song is beneficial to you,
No, like beneficial to my career.
Fair.
It's not. It can't just be a one-way thing, you know. So yeah, that's it. I just have to like the song, and I feel like it will be beneficial to my career. Like it won't be detrimental to my career.
That makes sense. Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me ask you.
I was enjoying asking all the questions.
Yeah, shut up. I've been asking you questions too. Aside from music, what other business do you all run?
What other businesses do I run? Okay, so basically I run a fintech called Mover Networks, and what we do is we help African businesses make global payments. So that's pretty much it.
Okay.
I also invest in startups. I've invested in Old School. I've invested in Nestcoin, and so on and so forth.
Okay, cool. I'll answer the question too. I have everything I do is really based around entertainment. Apart from music, being a musician, I'm involved in two record labels. Hold on, they're just about to pass the marijuana. They said that we shouldn't smoke Igbo because brands want to fuck with us.
Fuck you then.
Eh?
Fuck the brands then.
But just now, that was not your opinion.
I know, but now fuck the brands now.
What kind of J is this? Who wrote this J? Who wrote this baby J? I beg, zoom in on this baby J. I don't know who wrote this shit. So like, I'm involved in 2 record labels.
Okay.
I'm a co-founder of 2 record labels. One of them just does projects.
Okay.
And then the other one, we have some artists. I don't really
Is there no
want to
conflict
get-
of interest?
It's not conflict of interest because one of them is just for projects and it can be it's not exclusive to any artist in particular. Do you understand? And then the other one is like we have artists and stuff. You feel me?
Okay.
So do you think there's conflict of interest?
I don't know yet.
Why have you
I
not?
don't know.
You've not raised that to me privately.
I don't
before?
know now. I don't know the structure of the 2 of Mars and Action Boys now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
I don't
I
know.
also have I make clothes.
You
as
make
well.
clothes.
Yes, we have a factory.
Right.
You look
Well, how
big,
did
you-
you start making clothes?
Um,
And why? And what was
Okay.
your plan?
I started making clothes. So basically, when I dropped my album Bagada Express, we had a song called Action Boys.
Active. Man,
Action
active.
Boys.
I love that song.
And with Obong Jaya. And out of the whole project, I like tying merch to my shit. So out of the whole project, with the song names and stuff, we just felt like that name just was like a buzz, you know? So we decided to start with that. And then the reception was really good, and like the demand for it just became like over the roof, especially after my show in London in October 2022.
Yeah.
Wizkid bought one of the shirts for £2,500.
Ah, Wizzy, Babala. Love you
Big
for that.
Wiz. So
Big Wiz.
when he did that, like I think I got like maybe I had like 200 followers on the Instagram page, and we got like an extra 1,000 just from
Mad.
that.
Just from Wiz.
So and then like we just started getting orders from all over the world, you know. So
Yeah.
we just decided to make it a thing. And one of my boys, TK, he already had his thing, Bearded Genius, and he had already started a factory. So I just went into business with him, like invested in it,
Okay.
and
Fair.
decided to get on board with
Fair.
him.
Are you closer to? Okay, actually, I know the answer to this. I won't ask you. Don't worry.
Ask me because they don't.
Okay, are you closer to Wiz or are you closer to Obio?
I'll say I'm closer to OBO because David and I have we've known each other since like that time.
That year, since
that year.
DRB, yeah.
Yes, like since before
no,
DRB.
Since
know,
London.
And yes, just like from time.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm closer to him.
The bond is deeper. That's cool.
Sorry, I have to ask you things too.
I heard that.
Do artists actually use ghostwriters? Do you use ghostwriters?
So I think I've worked with writers before. I've worked with Chills. Shout out to Chills. Chills wrote on Unconditionally. He wrote on Lights Please. And then there's a guy called Aaron Miles that wrote on 4am in Lagos. That wrote part of the song. But apart from I'm not that much because I'm not sure that I know how to get the right writers like to fit with my sound and stuff. But yeah, it's not a strong strength for me, and music is actually a way for me to just distress, express, get rid of things that are inside me, just things that are bubbled up. So I like to write as well. What about you?
Yeah, I've worked with songwriters more recently. I felt like there was an interview I had with My Waido in like 2011 or 2012. He's one of the founders of Cultural Custodian.
Okay.
And he was asking me if I felt like I have any shortcomings. And at the time I couldn't see any, because I was still new and everything. But he pointed out that he feels like, because he just felt like maybe songwriting might be a shortcoming in the future, And at some point I found that like I wanted to elevate my sound and I wanted to work with songwriters because it's just better to get, in my opinion, to get like perspective from, you know, a whole bunch of people to create something that will be, you know, tangible. And I also gauge that most of the biggest artists in the world work with songwriters. It doesn't take away from the art, you know. So yeah, I've worked with a whole bunch of songwriters. Shout out to Benzo Tobena. Shout out to Tim Lyer. Shout out to Tenor Tempo. Shout out to you actually. Yeah, shout out to Butter.
It's true. I've done some songwriting on this bitch.
Shout out to Fresh L. Yeah, to name a few that I can remember right now.
What do you, when you want to like engage someone to like write something for you, like what do you look for in the person's music?
I look for
Like,
being
instance,
able
like,
to.
I know like me, Benzo, Fresh are guys like you've known for time.
Yeah.
I don't know how long you've known Tim Lyer, but like how did you identify him to
So with
be
Tim
part of
Lyer,
what you're
it
doing?
was really. It actually came up when we were recording Kele, actually, because he wrote on Kele.
Okay.
So they sent me a demo, and I was just like impressed with how he was able to morph into BOJ. Like he actually, everything he said was something that I would say.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
like something that I would probably come up with myself, but he came up with it. So that made me just know that, like, okay, this is somebody that can tap in.
Yeah.
Somebody, a good writer is able to tap into, is versatile. Like he can tap into different pockets. Do you understand? So, and that's why I identified
And
that this guy could tap into my pockets.
Songwriting is a skill, as like not just songwriting. Being able to identify and work with the right songwriter is a skill, is a serious skill that most people don't. It's as difficult as writing a song. Being able to
100%.
identify the right songwriter
100%.
and like get that person to like get involved in your stuff. That is, it's not easy to do. So people should not just think that, oh, once you have a songwriter, boom, is a hit. You know,
yeah.
it doesn't work like that. You know,
Yeah.
being able to identify sounds and being able to key is mad difficult. So there's another question from fan. Do you ever wish you weren't famous, and why?
Yes,
Why?
that's one. Fame for me is one of the.
You have to explain in a way that like people that are listening will also like get it.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
So, fame for me is one of the, for me personally, and that's, I think, is based on my personality.
Yeah.
It's one of the worst things about.
Yeah, a shy guy.
I'm a shy guy.
Yeah, no,
Really
are you a shy guy actually?
I'm actually a shy guy. I'm actually, like, I have anxiety
Is
around
it?
people. I do.
That's crazy.
I
I never
rather-
do that. I have anxiety as well.
I'm like an introverted extrovert. Like, I can be there, I can exist there, but I'd rather not engage. I'd rather not people notice.
So why do you
That's
not
what
make it sound weird when I say stuff like that?
Like what?
Like I'd rather not engage. But anyways, go on, continue.
Yeah, you're just a fucker. You're just a dickhead.
Wow.
Do you understand? Your one is more of a point than of. You don't want someone dirty touching you.
No, not at all. Bro, I just
that's what
don't
it
know
is,
who
bro.
I can talk
You're
to and who I
like
can't talk to.
Ajebutter P, like you're on
Definitely not, bro.
Yeah, that's what
Anyways,
it
continue.
is. You're on a snobbish P.
Ha, Jesus.
Yeah, it's snob.
That is a big
Me,
lie.
my own is not
Yeah,
snobbish.
more of a snob than me by far.
That's bullshit.
Ha.
But yeah, so like fame for me, I just don't like being noticed like that. Apart from when I'm on stage, or apart from when I want you to notice me. Do you understand? So it's like when I'm on stage, I'm a different person. You feel me? But on a normal day, I like to do normal things. I like to be able to walk. I don't like having to have a whole bunch of bodyguard or all this kind of shit around. I don't like having that. It makes me feel somehow, you know? So I don't really enjoy fame, man. Honestly, I enjoy money. I enjoy money.
Well,
I enjoy inspiring people. I enjoy seeing when I'm on stage. I see people singing back something that
So
came out
the good
from
parts
my,
of
just
fame,
came
the
out
good
from
parts,
nowhere.
The bad parts you don't like.
The fame is the part I don't like.
Yeah,
I
but
really
the fame
don't
is
like.
everything. Man.
I know, and like my team and everybody, they're always complaining about, oh, my Instagram, I don't post that much and stuff like that. Like I wish I could like, you know, like bring people into my world a bit more, but I'm also more worried about my mental health. Do you understand? I don't know how I'm going to feel about people like having opinions on everything I see.
But you already have people that, like you already.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It's like that's why I choose.
So you're trying to
I don't
control
mind
it.
you having opinions about my music. That's what I'm giving to you. But on a personal level, like I don't want people gauging my opinions and dissecting my opinions, which is why I don't always give my opinions out online and shit. I don't want to know what you think about what I think. Do you get what I'm saying? I don't want to know what you think about what I think. I want to think what I think and finish.
To be fair, like these
You get-
days, being an artist is being an artist, being a brand, anything is 360. It's now more than just what you're presenting. Like as any, even KFC, even Chicken Republic, whatever, when they present themselves, like when there are issues, people expect them to, say stuff. That's why brands are like, try to have personalities, and sometimes it backfires on them, and stuff. But so it's like a whole different world now.
Yeah,
Like,
and I guess it's about what you really want. It's like what are you really after. Like me, I know what I'm after.
what are you after?
Me, I'm after extreme comforts. Do you understand?
And so basically money.
Which comes with bread. Do you
Yeah.
get what I'm saying? And which comes with having a family, and which comes with having a partner that you love unconditionally. Those are the things I care about.
Yes, but
You
those
get what
things
I'm
don't
saying?
give. Those
But
things
to
are
get
they,
those
they
things-
give you satisfaction,
To
not
get
extreme
those
comfort.
things, I know that all these things will help. Me posting every day, all this shit that we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, engaging with the fans and all this bullshit. I love the fans and everything. I want to engage with everybody.
You sound like you're not sure. You kind of like the fans. You don't
No,
really
I love my fans. Because without them, guy, like I won't even be able to chow. I won't be able to have my mad.
So
babe.
you are
I won't be able to
materialistic
have-
towards your fans. If
Like how?
If not for what your fans provide you, which is the ability to chow, you won't love them.
No, I would love them because
Because you don't
like I
like it when
said
they're in your
earlier,
space.
I
You don't like it when they're like all up inside you, critiquing what everything that you do. But you like it when they give you money and when they give.
I like it when they give me money, and I
adoration.
like it when they give me. I like it when they hear my music and
I like
enjoy it.
Yes, but you can't have the good without the. You can't have the. You can have the good parts without the bad parts. Like you
Yeah, I
can't-
don't mind having the bad parts, but I don't want to engage with it. Even see, the honest truth is that I don't care about the good and the bad. Don't forget to attend to the fan questions and goofy questions.
But we don't define questions.
That's what
already
we're doing now.
That's what I'm at.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
favor. You're not listening. Eh.
Go on.
So, what was I saying? Yes,
Yeah.
I try as much as possible, not to be influenced by the good and the bad. Do you
Okay.
understand? I don't
Yeah.
let any of those things define the P.
Okay.
So I don't get gassed by so many people being like, "Ah, wow, your shit is too mad," and I don't get pulled down by people being like, "Ah, this guy hasn't blown since he has been doing this." Da, 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 da. Because also blowing is relative. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's like,
sure. For sure.
yeah. But what I really don't like is
Being
people-
famous. The scrutiny.
I don't want to know what somebody thinks about what I think. I don't care to know that. And
Sure.
when you put it out there, you're basically saying, "Come and hear what I have to say. What do you think?"
Yeah.
Do you understand? Which is
Yeah.
why I find it funny when celebrities are like, "Oh, why can't you keep my name out of your mouth?" I'm
It's
like,
not possible.
dude, you're very, very vocal. You're putting your opinions out. You putting your opinions out there is basically you saying, "Tell me what you think."
Have
you get what I'm saying?
you ever been dragged online?
Probably. I can't really remember. No, I don't really get dragged.
Have you ever felt a way? And not like have you ever felt a way about like something that happened to you online?
Yes.
What happened? How did you feel?
There was a time when, so like you're like, it's a touchy subject. Okay, I tweeted something at the time and I didn't think about it well. I tweeted because I didn't read the room. Okay, usually I just gauge things. I think whatever. Sometimes I put it out there. Most times I don't. So
Okay.
this time I gauged. I can't remember what was happening, but lots of people are talking about babes flying to Dubai. So I tweeted, "What's in this Dubai that babes are flying to Dubai?"
Okay.
Bro, 'cause I didn't know what the P was about.
But what was the thing?
About people flying to Dubai to get pissed on, flying to Dubai to get money.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So I literally just like, okay, what's the P? What are we talking about here? Bruh, they started abusing me.
That what?
That, why am I trying to find out what babes are doing? Like, why am I not asking what guys are doing in Dubai?
Okay.
Do you understand? And I was just like, I think that's the one time where I remember being dragged.
Fair.
I got dragged also once when Fresh tweeted early on in DRB time, when Fresh tweeted BOJs to him. He was tweeting his top 5 artists. He now got to number 1 and he said, I love Wizkid, da. But BOJ is my number 1.
Oh yeah, I was talking about Wizkid.
Somebody now tweeted at Wizkid saying, Fresh L said BOJ is better than you. Wizkid just said, fuck BOJ, fuck DRB, fuck Fresh L, and fuck their management.
Why did he ask the management?
Because just like, fuck all them niggas. Yay!
Alright, but keep on.
Yo, you guys, don't worry. Let me just stay like this.
Guy, you're killing me.
I'll stay like this. I'll change the swag.
Bro.
So yeah, I think I'm cool like this.
Yeah. That was it.
Yeah, that was funny.
I'm just happy that this was with me that happened to me. This motherfucker would get me for like 10 years.
Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's do this one with the Shacks, I beg.
Okay, cool. Go on.
What's that one? What's that one? What's the one with the Shacks with the?
There's
with the questions about the.
Yeah, the general questions.
Wait. No. Let's do the lyrics.
Okay.
So somebody has to do that one.
Yeah.
You guys, somebody has to ask us the lyrics because we can see the answers here.
So just lock your
pause. We'll be right back.
Yeah. That's Belash Mother. I never come down, go it's Belash Mother.
The name of the song is CC.
No, it's not CC.
The name of the song is
Cash App.
Cash App.
Drink.
Fuck.
Drink.
Give me lime. I beg, pass the lime.
Take.
Fuck. I'm bad at tequila.
I know for a fact, but doesn't know any song.
This one has to be like.
Who gonna get dead
Rich.
homies now? Is it Nigerian?
Is a Nigerian.
Dead homies.
That means.
I never get dead homies.
Oh! Say the line again.
Is it like? Keep on roll for dead.
Santi. Brakakaka. Rapid fire.
Is it lie?
Is it true?
Sing it.
Yo.
It's
the beginning. Is the act from the beginning of the song.
The beginning is not that the rapid fire.
No, the beginning.
Shout out Santi still. Fuck the Santi.
Yeah, I shall know that from. For my dead homies. Yeah. Guy, I knew that I couldn't be any normal Nigerian artist that would say that.
Man, I was about to say.
I was about to start saying like.
Maybe Superboy check.
Exactly. You know what like Kahid or Kade or what?
Them ones.
Yo. BOJ 24. Make no cause fight.
That is fucking cheating. You can't give him his own lyrics.
Are you his own lyrics too? Or
yeah, boys. I know that's like different. And it's like the whack way. What if you see what I've seen? If you see what I've seen. If you see what I've seen.
They said
bro,
they're not singing
the
the song.
Officer.
They said they are not singing the song.
Yeah.
They are just saying the lyrics like they are reading a story.
Just drink this one for me.
Lie. Go for a bit.
She deceived me.
Are you mad? Making no cause fights. You don't even know your own jams.
No, but guy, what is if I would never have gotten like 10 years if you see. But, like, what is that?
Oh yeah, what's the next one? I beg. Let me get this motherfucker. I don't see the engine. Alter Cruise. Fucking Shaq, your Shaq.
Oh, I knew that one though, but just slow. Fuck. This real alcohol though. These guys are fucking me up. Alright.
Arrange your shot glasses in front so they can see.
Shut up. Man.
Arrange these guys so they can see. No, really. Butter. Arrange.
Continue. Charlie Poppy. Elon Musk.
I want to have known that word.
How do I pay cash? Send us a wallet, pay Mary, see, now you want credit VT. Come on, drink. 3, 2.
Fuck. Wait. Sorry. Butter. How are they going to know who is winning? Just put it in front.
They'll put the score now.
Just put it in front.
Oh.
Just for aesthetics. Trust me.
Okay. Anyways, is it like penalty shooter, first to 5 or what?
I don't know how many questions they have. Oh yeah, do this one. May I get pounds for you? No. No, sing it again. You want to do Rema?
Charm? Is it Charm?
It's me.
I said the name, but you
didn't let. You interrupted me.
I didn't. I'm not supposed to interrupt you. Is that not the point
This
of
guy,
the game?
let me
My
tell you
friend,
something.
drink.
There's video evidence. I was like this. Rema. You just started talking.
There's no way you're going to explain.
You have to
You're going to
drink.
explain. Tire. Drink.
Why should I drink?
Because you said
Rema.
I said
I was
the
still
name of
talking
the
and
song.
you opened your.
yes, that's what you're supposed to do.
No.
You're supposed to.
I've started talking, so you keep quiet because I've won.
Never.
I'm not drinking.
Yeah, next one.
You guys, who drinks?
That is.
Somebody has to drink. Who drinks in that one?
Who drinks?
I started talking. I got it exactly. You have
But
to
you said
drink.
Rema, but I said name
No,
of the
because
song.
that said guy. I got it right.
Mate.
Like just drink.
The draw.
How can it be a draw?
Don't argue with the ref. They'll give you a yellow card. Babe, drink.
Black Bones on the CK song.
Hallelujah.
Shut up. I got.
Boom. Easy.
But
Easy,
you guys,
easy,
come on.
easy,
He
easy,
has to
easy.
drink.
Hey, how?
How? I was
let
yarning.
finish.
You
Maybe I
guys.
just to let him
Okay,
finish.
no.
I
You
like-
guys, we have to wait.
So you
When
have
somebody's
two hands that
talking,
you have to drink.
No,
that's not how
no,
it works,
I'm
bro.
not playing
You
again.
can't.
I'm not playing again.
No.
I'm not playing again.
No,
That's the
you
end of
can't
this
say
game.
that.
Let's
Okay,
go to the next
okay,
segment.
okay. Oh yeah, reload it.
You have to drink.
No.
How can I be saying the answer? You just come and say after I'm no.
You are doing nonsense.
How was I doing nonsense? I was saying the artist first. Come, hey.
But don't us a kidnapper. Better leave him alone. They don't want her from house. Oh yeah.
No. You guys, Butter has to drink.
Bro, are you mad? You didn't drink the
I
last
got the
one.
answer
I cannot
right.
drink this one. It's
I was getting the
impossible.
answer. I was telling you all the artists, and I was about to say the name. You just said it. You can't
Nobody
do that.
asked you to do that.
Nah, bro. Butter has to drink.
Nah, I'm not drinking.
Guy, I want this game. Okay, next game.
Oh, yeah, last one.
Oh, yeah, last one.
All right.
Understand me, no King Promise.
Down. Terminator. See, again, you're too slow. Sit up. I'll drink for you because you're pussy still.
You guys can't do this. I will tell him. I will say the name so that he can answer. Once somebody starts talking, you have to just shut up.
No, I can't shut up because your brain is doing like this.
Nah, bro. Oh yeah. This is the end of this segment.
Yes, the end. Hey.
What's next? General questions. Okay, yeah, let's do the general questions as well. I think we're tracking for this one as well.
Oh yeah, I'll
At least this one, Butter will answer this.
How?
Win. I don't mind.
I don't like general questions. Though.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah, what are general questions?
At the bottom.
The largest bird.
Flamingo.
Peacock.
Then is a
Ostrich. Boom. You threw it away.
How?
Hey! You
How?
threw it away.
How?
There's camera. Oh.
How?
God.
Use it when it comes out. I shacked it.
If you did, you're a disgrace.
I shacked it.
Go on.
Yeah, next question.
You're always rushing to the part without knowing the answer.
Kazakhstan.
Afghanistan. You know Afghanistan. Now you can verify that one.
Shaq, you
Spell it. Spell it.
Borat
Because
is
you said
from Kazakhstan.
What's that?
Borat.
What country is that?
Kazakhstan.
Spell it.
K.
What? As in K. What's the K? There's no country like Kazakhstan.
Bro, are you kidding?
No, it's
wow.
not Kazakhstan.
Yes, this is amazing.
No, there's Kazakhstan.
This shit is
There's
going
no
to blow.
Kazakhstan.
Let me tell you something.
There's no Kazakhstan, bro.
What do you mean?
Whatever you said doesn't exist.
What do you mean? So what exists?
Yeah, what did you say? Exactly. There's Afghanistan, that one I'm sure.
There's Kazakhstan.
There's Pakistan, I'm sure.
There's Kazakhstan.
Then spell it. If you can't spell it, then it doesn't exist.
That's bullshit.
Exactly. So
This
what,
part of this clip is going to blow.
how? What did
Because
you
I said Kazakhstan and you said
Because-
there's no country like Kazakhstan.
No,
you
there
said
isn't.
that.
There's Kazakhstan. There's no Kazakhstan.
I didn't
What's
say
that?
Kazakhstan.
So what did you
It's
say?
the accent. It's the accent, bro. In Kazakhstan.
Don't worry, I'll dash you.
Kazakhstan.
I'll dash you.
Shaq.
Good. I'll drink. Inventing countries. Calabar.
What do you mean? London has one too.
My friend, drink. Is the answer? What's the answer?
There's no correct answer. There's so many cities that are known for carnival. London is known for London carnival. No.
It's a thing.
You didn't say Nigeria.
It's a thing.
Next question.
Drink.
God
drink. So this boy is not going to drink. No, impossible.
Why should I drink?
Because I've been drinking. Answer the question. That's the answer. Is that not the answer?
There's not one answer.
There
Is it
is one
correct
answer. Wait, so you're not going to drink? Wow.
What's the square root of what?
Wow.
4.
Wow.
Are you kidding? Shaq.
Wow. He has to drink now.
Cheating how?
He has to drink now. He has to drink.
You guys are mad.
He has to drink.
You guys are mad. Wait. The same
My friend, shut up and
you don't
drink.
send it to him too.
Are you arguing, referee? Drink.
Why?
Drink.
Lie. Why? I said the answer right. What do you mean I saw the answer?
Ladies and gentlemen,
How am I
this boy is a madman.
Doesn't he have it on his phone too? Guy, he has it on his phone. I have it on my
Which phone now? I don't have it on my phone.
Apparently, we have the answers on our phone. I don't have it.
You
What's
don't
the
want
next
to
question?
drink.
I got the
You're
answer
cheating.
right. You drink.
Nah, man. Allow it. Oh. Ah. You're throwing your drink away. They can see it.
This is not fair. You watched me take that shot.
I didn't. I wasn't watching you. Why would I watch you? Go on.
What's the last question?
Africa.
Asia,
Europe.
Africa,
Asia,
Europe, America,
America.
Australia.
Australia. Wait, actually,
What's the other place?
there's South America. Yeah, there's North America.
North America.
There's
The other two.
Africa. There's Europe. There's Central America. There's Australia. There's Asia. Yeah, done. Don't have more. There's those are them.
I said the same thing.
I said Africa, of course. I said Africa.
I said Africa too. We said the same thing.
Drink.
You guys, I beg, let this thing be finished.
That's it, though.
We're done. Abi?
That's the last question. I'll drink the last shot.
So we're done.
Yes.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah. No. So, how do you end all these things? Yeah, we're done, Sha. Mad.
Yo.
Guys, after all these
Boom.
things, I beg, when our stuff comes out, just stream it. That's all.
You already know.
Say
Thank
no
you
more.
for chilling with us.
Make it no cause fight.
Shout out to you. Boom.
Yeah, boom. Love you guys.